We'll first start by cutting chicken into 1/4 to 1/2 inch cubes. For spices, we'll add 1 teaspoon of shawarma spice, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. But I think for the amount of chicken we have, we'll just double the spices. So another teaspoon of salt, another 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and also double amount of shawarma spice and curry. Now we'll mix that up. We'll add the chicken into a bowl. And now we'll add in the spices. And for some extra protein, we'll add 150 grams of yogurt. Now I've washed my hands and we can mix all those ingredients together. Prepare this chicken mix ahead and leave it overnight for the flavors to develop more, but I don't have that much time, so I'll just rest it for 1 hour. Over a pan which is set over medium heat, we'll now add a little drizzle of olive oil. And now we'll swirl it around a bit. Now the pan is preheated and the chicken is ready. We'll add the chicken into the pan. Now we'll flip the chicken over on the other side. Now we'll flip the chicken after 4 minutes and we'll leave it on the other side for 4 minutes as well, or until fully cooked. We've let the chicken cook for another 12 minutes on the other side and flipped it in between. Now we'll take it out on a plate and continue with the rest of the mix. For the fries, we'll use 5 medium-sized potatoes, and now we'll peel them. Now we'll peel the potatoes. Now we'll cut the potatoes into 1/2 inch pieces. Or 1/4 inch if you like. I've set this pot over medium-high heat and put cold water in it, and we'll add a bit of salt. About a teaspoon. Now we'll mix that up a bit. And now we'll add in the potatoes. And of course with the lid on top. Now we've drained the fries and set them on a baking tray, and we've drizzled a little bit of olive oil on top. Now we've put the fries into the oven and we'll cook them for 20 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. This is how the fries look like after they've been in the oven. Now we'll be adding in some of this fry salt. I've added in some fry seasoning and now we'll toss them a bit. Make sure to coat the fries with salt while they're still hot so the oil can absorb the salt. To make the cheese sauce, we'll put a saucepan over medium heat and we'll add in 1 tablespoon of butter. After the butter is melted, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And now we'll mix that up a bit. After the roux's been on the heat for 2 minutes, we'll add in 1 cup of milk. Now we'll mix it up with a whisk. And we'll let this simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. After the 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add in 1 cup of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. And now we'll whisk that up a bit. After 5 minutes, the cheese sauce been on the pan, we'll add in half a teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Also for some color, we're gonna add in a bit of tomato paste. And a few tablespoons of this orange pasta sauce. Okay, now we can turn off the heat as well. So now we'll assemble the wrap. We'll take a handful of chicken, place it in the middle of the wrap. Then we'll take some fries, add them on there in a nice arrangement. And we'll take some of the cheese sauce. And now we'll just have to fold that up. First in, then the sides, then fold. And now we'll put it into a pan. Now we've toasted the wrap for a few minutes. here you have it, chicken burritos.